Now we are going to create the shoulder rows. So just see the way I'm folding it. What I hold there in my hand is 5 yards as well. So then just try and knot it. Divide it 50-50 as well. Then you will use one part to create the rows. Then you will use the other side to wrap her round, so that you see the way I use one side to create the rows now. Then you knot it. Then the other side, which is the longer, because the other 50, you use the other 50 to wrap her and use net. So all this style, you see the way I'm just bringing out the rows and creating the flower. So just use small pin. Any pin we are using there is that office pin, that small one. Don't use the big one. Okay, just try and create small rows. And now we are going to use the other part to wrap her, so that once you take that photo, everything will look so unique and complete. When you enter Instagram, you will see that of many modern, because all these our beautiful modern, they are not like all these our mommy that have all these traditional outfits on their wardrobe. They are English wear people. So if you dye then any gele with this net, then everything can go with this color of the net, everything can go like complete. Yes, just use the other one to wrap her around. So the reason I don't want to show the back side, many people always say show us the back side, because like the gown she is wearing, the back side open and her bra is showing. I don't want to show the back side because of this gown. The front is covered, the back side is open. I don't want to show her bra. So it's just easy, guys. Just use that, or use the other one to wrap her, and you look for somewhere to tuck in it at the back. Your rows, the rose shoulder, just make sure you check it. Make sure the rose is like, it appear like flower rose. Yes, that is it, guys. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things on this video. Yes, in case you are wondering where I base here in United Kingdom, London. You can book me for your events. I do all wrap, all head wrap, any head wrap gele. In fact, show me the video, send me the picture, I will give it to you. We do photo shoots, we do makeup, we do traditional hair. We are all in one beauty. Yes, so this was the before we start. Yes, so then this one is after. Guys, once again, help me to say thank you to her for her model, for the model she do for me that day. In fact, I'm super excited. I have many styles on my mind. You know, I have boys in this my house. I'm still looking for model. In case you are there, you want to come and do model for me, you are welcome. Okay, thank you, guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Let me put my music. My number is there in case you want to contact me. Leave your comment down below and say thank you to Valentina. Bye bye.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. That beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
That beauty. Looking good and looking nice. That beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
That beauty.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house.
Carry me they go.
We've seen